Okay. Hello, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Rachel Amma. I wonder if you can hear all this squeaking as I'm sitting on the ball. Today I wanted to do like a, what do you call it? Day in the life of someone in their third trimester coming towards the end of the pregnancy. In lockdown, obviously. Although certain rules have been lifted, I'm still considered high risk. So I'm pretty much still at home, working from home, eating from home, getting on with life from home, the occasional walk here and there to the park. The sun has come through. Vegan meals while I'm pregnant, supplements. I'm gonna go and take you through the supplements because I'm gonna go and get them now so I can share those with you guys because I had a lot of questions about supplements and I wanted to share those with you. Just washing my bed sheets because I had night sweats and I want clean sheets now. Also, it was hot last night and I don't have a fan. My windows are amazing, but when it rains, I can't open my windows because of the shape the rain comes inside, so it gets a bit... I got really crampy today for the first time. I think it falls under the category of Braxton Hicks, but it's stopped now, so that was interesting. This ball saved me because it just takes all the pressure away. All the pressure is beautiful. I didn't buy this for the pregnancy, I've just had this ball because of fitness and it's absolutely amazing. If you don't have one of these and you're pregnant or you like to work out at home, you've got to get one. It's magic, guys. My dog loves it. Let me see. I'm gonna insert a clip if I can find the clip of my dog because we have two at home. One slightly bigger, one smaller. Just insert a clip. I made this body butter on my Instagram stories the other day. I haven't made one in a while. I just ran out of body butter and I found some shea butter, so I whipped it up. So if you want to see me share that recipe, let me know in the comments. Oh, that's the crib I got over there. It's so cute. So what, is Marley around? Oh. I had so many questions about the supplements that I take. These are 3 of my favorites and I'm really excited to announce that I am working with Vivo Life. Now Vivo Life, they make so many different amazing plant-based products for health and fitness. So they have a whole range of protein powders that are super delicious and use really amazing ingredients, as well as this new range of supplements, and they're always releasing new incredible formulas to really help promote your health. So check them out. I'm going to leave them down below in the description box. I'm very excited to work with them because I am a big fan of the company as a whole. And I do always get asked, where'd you get your B12, Rachel? Where can you get your D3, Rachel? Where can you get your omega-3, Rachel? I can't know why. This is the old juicer, this is the new juicer. I got gifted it. It's really easy to put together. I thought I would just show you guys. So you put this. Okay, I'm doing this one-handed, so it's gonna look more complicated than it actually is. And then we're putting this on top here. Goes like that. And then this just goes at the back to catch all the pulp. And then just fling that, again, one hand, Rachel. And that will secure it in place. And this is my new juicer. For my juice, I've got some mint, cucumber, ginger, lime, apple. I had this tiny bit of pineapple and I was like, let me just use it. Some celery and kale. This kale doesn't juice that well, but it's all I've got right now. Literally, to make my juices, I just go with what we've got and then boom, juice. So it also came with this little handy, so you know what speed for each different vegetable or fruit. Let's go. That's the left behind bit. that I just then pour in here. Today is a hot day, one of the hottest days of the year. So I'm just sitting here with my dude, which is delicious, by the way. I'm never really too fussed what I put in it. As long as I go green, I could have gone greener, I just didn't have enough greens. And like an apple, a pineapple, a mango, something sweet. Just balances the bitterness. So I quickly want to talk about my vitamins. So as well as my prenatal, as I said to you guys, I am working with Vivo Life. I'm really excited and chuffed that they do these, because I think it's so important to make sure that you are looking after your body and making sure your nutrient levels are high. Some people have a B12 deficiency just because that's their makeup, that's what's happened to them. It's not because you're vegan you're gonna have a B12 deficiency. It's not a joke. A lot of people are fine. A lot of people do their whole life without supplementing B12 and are fine. Some do it and they're not okay. So a way to just make sure you're okay is to check your levels if you can, and to get a really nice vegan B12 supplement. So this particular B12 is liquid form, like all of them, which means you get really good absorption of the B12 itself. It's got orange in it, so it tastes nice as well, because sometimes you can get B12 and it's like really bitter and really not nice. It also shows you how many milliliters are in the dropper, which is really useful because it tells you exactly how much you should be taking and how much B12 that will give your body. B12 is great for your nervous system, your brain function, and as I say, primarily you just don't want to be deficient in B12. So take your daily intake and don't risk it for a chocolate biscuit. It's totally fine if you forget one day. Your body does keep it stored up. You just want to make sure you keep an eye on it, whether you're checking your levels with a doctor or taking your supplement. And that is how easy it is to make sure you're on your D12. D12? B12. Oh, whoa! Getting the belt cheese. So this omega-3 is vegan. It's made from organically grown algae, cold pressed. It's liquid form again for really quick absorption. And again, it shows you how much you're taking. So this is for your heart, your skin, your joints. The omegas really lubricate your joints. So if you are training a lot, it's so important that you make sure you get it. And for your brain function, especially me while I'm pregnant, I've really made sure that I keep on my omega-3, which in a plant-based source. So again, we're getting our nutrients in. And this is how easy it is. Liquid form, rapid absorption. And then of course we've got our vitamin D. So D3 has been linked to be really beneficial in pregnancy. There are a lot of different studies on it, which I'll link down below if anyone is interested. We just want to make sure that we're getting our vitamin D, especially the more melanin that you carry in your skin, the harder it is for your body to absorb the vitamins from the sun. So you can't just be like, I'm just going to sit in the sun, I'm going to get all the vitamin D that I need. You want to get a D3 supplement, a vegan friendly one if you are vegan, and just make sure you stay on it. I mean, we've had so much research is now out there in the media about how it really helps your immune system. Then again, you just take your liquid form D3 and it is that simple. It has a nice citrusy flavour to it. So, supplements, breakfast, green juice, bouncy ball. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I was supposed to be doing like yoga and pregnancy training, pregnancy this. I just lost momentum. I haven't done a workout in about 4 weeks. I've walked, I go out, my bedroom is the loft, so you know, coming up and down there is always a bit of an effort, but I haven't done a workout. So today, I'm gonna do a bit of pregnancy yoga. I'm hoping I can get back into the swing of things for the last couple of weeks. Woo, child, we are out of breath. Now I'm stalling because I don't wanna do my yoga. Get up, Rachel. Oh, hello, somebody is moving. They're always hanging out with me. Me and my mate. Me and my, I don't want to tell you guys the gender either, so I never know what to call my bump. I just say my bump, me and my bump. Oh, it's going to be a lovely day when we get to hang out together, I tell you that much. Not the part where I clean your poo, but maybe I'll love that too, you know? Maybe I'll love that too. Okay, get up, Rach, get up. That's the one. Shall I do a yummy mummy hip stretch? Should I do a full body? I can't do full body right now. Let's do some hips. We haven't done our hips in a while.
Hi Mama, it's Bri. Welcome
Here we
to Creative
go.
Glow. Putting your right foot down.
I'm going to try and do this every other day just to get my body moving, keep it moving, because I think that's important right now. I'm just going to do my best. All you can do in this world, do your best and do what feels comfortable. Like, I think my hamstrings have disappeared. Like, the muscles I built on my hamstrings, I can't see them anymore. So they've just gone to sleep. We'll keep doing the yoga. We'll keep doing the yoga.